Hi everyone, Rainey here with my Dreamboat project, and welcome to 2021. First time I get to say that to you. Haven't seen all you folks since last year, so in today's video, I'm going to catch you up. I want to show you a bunch of products I bought to get going with fiberglassing my boat. Even though I haven't built the frame yet, I'm already getting ready for the fiberglass, trying to get all my materials together because they can be a little expensive. So I'm going to go through my fiberglass that I bought and products that I got to work with it, and a really neat invention I put together to help me work with my fiberglass. So without any further ado, let's get going. So here I am at my workbench, aka transom. And as you can see on the workbench, I have a 45-pound roll of fiberglass. Let me move this over. 45-pound roll. This is 12 mil, and it's double bias. But when I was trying to find, I checked a bunch of different companies to get the best price. And when I was trying to find double bias, I'm finding that they use double bias and a lot of other terms pretty loosely. Okay, but what this is here, it's woven fiberglass at 45 degrees both ways, and it's stitched with threads. Let's see, I'm going to bring this a little closer so you can see. It's kind of stitched with threads going all the way through. So, and it's, like I said, it's pretty thick. I love the way these guys pack it. What they do is once they cut it for the roll, they actually put a piece of tape along the end so it doesn't unroll. Now I ordered 111 yards of this, 50 inches wide, and when I got it, they said it was going to be about 100 pounds. When I got it, I picked it up and I go, ooh, that's not bad. I must be stronger than I thought. So went to pick it up to put it on my holder. And it's like, whew, this is heavy. So I had a friend of mine come over and do it. It's always good to have young friends, guys strong as an ox. He picked it up and goes, that's not 100 pounds. He said, that's only about probably 50 pounds. So I was wondering, it's supposed to be 100 pounds. And then a day later, I got another box with another roll just like it. Okay, so this one's probably a little over 45 pounds, and the other one's a little over 50 something. And that one's upstairs. Luckily, I left it there because UPS delivered it upstairs, and I left it right there. I'll have my friend come over to bring it back down. So there's the roll right there that I'm going to be using. And to get it, I was searching at the same time on Amazon, and I found all of these little 4-inch rollers. And I got this. Great prices on Amazon, by the way. And this here, there's another bunch of rollers. This one's supposed to absorb a lot more. And I got, this is a 20-pack. And I guess this is about 20 also. So I got 40 rollers getting all ready for this. And of course my roller handle. And also on Amazon I got my brushes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 different size. That's supposed to be for a corner. This is for larger surfaces, and this is for tighter ones. And that's to get the air bubbles out. Okay. And I want to be able to spread the stuff. So now I got these. I looked all over the place. I got these here at Walmart. Now, if you go to Walmart, look in the automotive section where they have the Bondo and all that kind of stuff, because they use these spreaders a lot. But I wanted something bigger, because when I did my transom the other day, it took a long time to spread it with a small one. So at Harbor Freight, I got these doojiggies. They're only like $2.50, $3 each. But look at that. I can spread this way, I can spread this way, and I can, I don't know, I'm going to say open a bottle, but I don't know what that's for. Just a decoration, I guess. So I got 2 of these, very cheap. And also at Harbor Freight, I've been buying a lot of brushes and using brushes to put fiberglass on and resin and all this good stuff. And they're about $1 piece everywhere. And for, I think this was $13, I got all these. How many is it? 36 brushes. The exact same kind of cheap one-time use brush that I was getting at Walmart and Ocean State job lots and a lot of other places. But so they came up to probably about 50 cents each, maybe a little less. So you can buy them by the box. These are 2-inch ones. They had others, but they seem to be out of all of the others. So I got a whole box of these, and I've got a bunch more on the other side. So I'm all set to get going with fiberglass. Now, what did I do? I want to show you what I built. I'm going to take the phone off of the mount, so it's probably going to be a little wobbly to show you this last piece of what I did. All right? Okay, let me show you how I built it, okay? This is where the fiberglass goes. This piece of 2x3. I rounded the top with my planer so the roll will roll. And now I'm going to pick you up here and take you over to see. Over here I just built a mount where the end of the 2x4 goes right in here. Screwed it into the wall. So it just slides down, and I have a hole in here that goes all the way through the 2x3 and over here, so that way it holds it down so it won't fall. The other end of it over here, I have this mount that I built. This is where the other end of the 2x3 goes, and I have that mounted into the wall. Actually, I have this piece of, what is it, a 2x6, I think, mounted in there, and I have another bolt going back and forth, as you can see, going all the way through here, so I could take the whole thing off if I want. And then that just goes down, 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 down to the ground, just sits on it. So it's actually very sturdy, and all I do is take this piece here and put it right on, goes right between there and right between here. And then when it's all done, when it's all hooked up, let me get my bolt here. I have a bolt. You could use a piece of wire or a coat hanger or anything. This is just all I had hanging around, 1/4-inch bolt. And I push it right through. Let's see, get that so it fits good. And it goes right in, so that's going nowhere. And then I just put my roll of fiberglass right on there. Okay, so now the roll of fiberglass is up there. I have my pin. I want to make sure it stays in there. So I'm going to take this pin and put it right in this hole. And it's going to go, whoops, all the way through. And let's see. Oops, there we go. So now it can't go anywhere. So all I have to do is, when I need it, I have it taped, so I can't even take it all off right now, but I just take this and pull it over, and the boat's going to be over there, so I'm going to pull it right over the boat. And that's simple. I just cut what I need and start working with it. Ingenuity. So if you have any questions about that piece, let me know. I could tell you more about how I did it if you need dimensions or anything like that, if you're interested in doing it. So once again, I thank you for visiting. I'll have more about the boat to show you soon. I need to start working on it. Been really busy with my day job, and it's been cold as heck in this basement. And I've had the heater on for a couple hours, and it's still only 50 degrees. Take off my coat though, because I'm moving around a lot. So I'll have more to show you as we go. As always, thanks for visiting. Thanks for subscribing. Please share this with your friends and give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up helps more people to see us, because YouTube likes thumbs up and they share it with more, their algorithms and all that fancy stuff. So keep on boating, keep on building. Let me know how you're doing on your builds. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. I need friends. Just kidding. So have a great day. Bye-bye now.